Hello, hello, hello. It's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, Tracy, and myself. And our Mini Kit Monday host for the month of August is Becky. And this is layout number 3 using the products from my August kit. I'm using 3 pattern papers to document this memory. My foundation paper is that number print paper from Pink Fresh Studio. Then I'm taking this Doodlebug wood grain pattern paper, which is a gray on gray print. And then the next paper is from Simple Stories, and I don't remember which collection, and I'm going to use the A and B side, and I cut each one of these strips 3 inches by 12 inches. And then I'm going to layer them on top of that foundation paper. And the first pattern paper, I place it about the 10-inch mark, and then I place the next one at the 9-inch, and then the next one at the 8-inch. So next, I use my fingernail to rough up all those strips, give it a distressed look, which gives more interesting character to my layout. And then I will bring the photograph back to the layout, and I will use 1, 2, 3 strips of paper to layer underneath that photograph. So while you watch me do that, let me just remind you that I will have the link to Becky, Kathy, and Tracy's YouTube channel listed below so that you can go see what they created this wonderful Monday. And then don't forget, we have a Facebook group site, and I will have the link to that Facebook group site listed below in the description box. If you would like to play along and be entered in to possibly win a gift certificate from Becky, all you need to do is snap a photograph of your kit and each layout that you create and upload it to the August album over at our Facebook group site. All right, back to my layout. Now I am getting out all my embellishments that I pre-selected when I put my kit together. And I decided to use this sticker sheet from Simple Stories, and it's from an Ancestor collection, which has really nothing to do with this photograph. But as time goes on, this will be considered an older photograph, right? So I take that banner sticker and place it over on the right-hand side, and then I'm going to add 2 butterfly stickers over there. And then you'll see me move that sticker aside, and I will bring in my Becky Booten stickers, which is right there. And what do I start with? Oh, I get out the flower stickers, and I layer them over there in the upper left-hand corner of the photograph. And that just helps bring out more of the colors in that photograph. And so while you watch me do a little bit of embellishing, I'll just tell you that this photograph is of my husband and I from 2014. And my aunt that has now passed lived right outside of Vegas. And this was a happy time, but also a sad time because she was diagnosed with terminal cancer. And we came out there to visit. And then, of course, we also took some time for ourselves, and we enjoyed Vegas for the first time. And this photograph of my husband and I was taken at an exhibit regarding the Chinese culture. Now back to embellishing this layout. So as you can tell, I put a word phrase underneath the flower that says best of day, and then the circle one that says love it. And then I decided, I better figure out my title. And one of my challenges for the month of August is to use these pre-made word phrases. So I selected this one that says Wowza. And then I use some alpha letters to write out Vegas. And then I use these big foam numbers for 2014. And you will see that in just a minute. Then I go back to my Becky Booten stickers. And I see this one here that has some gold in it. And I think it says love you or something like that. I can't remember, but it doesn't stay on my layout. That I end up replacing that. You'll see that in a minute. And I also get out a sticker from the Vicky Bouton sticker sheet, and it's a scallop with gold hexagon on it, and I tuck that under the wood grain pattern paper. As you can see, I already completed the process, and you can see my title on the right hand side. And now I move back over to the left side of the photograph, and I get the sticker from Simple Stories, and it says Timeless Love. The reason why I changed out that sticker is I needed to draw the viewer's eye diagonally across the layout so that their eye would go to the photograph as well. And in order to achieve that, I needed to tie in the colors that were already in the upper right-hand corner with that Simple Story sticker of the gray and light black and brown tones. So I used another sticker from the Simple Stories collection to add right there to the left of my husband over that photograph. All right, so that's why I changed that sticker. Now, as I was explaining all that, I created a cluster underneath my title using the Vicky Bouton stickers, and it says favorite moment, so fun, and then I added the butterfly. Now I am creating a cluster at the bottom of this layout. I used a gold puffy frame from a Maggie Holmes collection. Then I used stickers from the Vicky Bouton sticker sheet that I am trying to use up, and it is a honey jar, and then the word sticker that says lovely, and then I'm going to bring in the butterfly so that I will have 3 areas that I have butterflies on this layout. Then off camera, I add wood veneer hearts that I ink up in a red color, and I don't remember what ink I used. I apologize for that. Then I add some splatters using Dilution Shimmer ink, and my layout is complete. I appreciate you all. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Be sure to get out your photographs, document your memories in a fun, creative way. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and please give me a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to my channel, and I appreciate any comments that you would like to leave, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. We'll see you next time. Bye.